I'm going to do a quick video and talk on how I kiln dry some of my boards. So you got their wood burner, and a partial bit of that is going up in the attic. I'm scavenging off my extra. Now this is what we have upstairs, is a load of wood under the tarp. The tarp is open at one end, and at the other end is the intake for our hot air off our burner. And I have a high induction fan right here. Now this goes in cycles. I have a heat cycle and a vent cycle. The heat cycle I usually do about 6 hours. I get this up to about 110, 120 degrees. And then I turn the heater off when I leave. The fire goes out. I turn this blower on, and it constantly blows fresh, hot, cold. Doesn't matter, it just blows air through it until I'm back for the next day to start the fire and do it again. I've been having luck with this. I'm getting loads of wood done in 2 to 3 weeks, from 20% down to 10 to 8.